welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn circuit training. Circuit training is very useful for all the sports person, those who are busy in their sports, but especially in the rainy season when they can't go outside, when we don't get the ground, we can do the circuit training and we can keep ourselves healthy and fit. Circuit training it's very useful for to develop your speed, strength, stamina, all your flexibility, and is keep you always fit and fine. You can keep yourself ready for your game. Okay, so today we are going to do it the circuit training, but before that just a request from all the beginners. If you're doing first time, please listen to your body, do it very carefully, do it slowly, do that much how much you can do it, how much your body can respond. Okay, you can do it along with your parents, you can do under the supervision of your parents. All other people can do it easily. You can do it as per your timings. If you are generally we are going to do it 20 to 30 seconds, but if you can maintain yourself, keep yourself on and on. And I'll request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and let's start the circuit training. Okay guys, we are going to start the circuit training. Let me introduce the circuit training. I have made 6 stations, 6 different stations I have. Okay, on the first station we have high knee jogging. Then we have a second station that we can do it sit up with the chair. Third, I have kept the ball. Okay, along with the ball we can do eye coordination. I'm going to tap the ball on the wall side. Then I keep a stick. We are going to do the jumping. Okay, we'll be doing the jumping sideways. Then fifth, we are going to do it push up, and then sixth, we are going to jump on all the stations. Okay, so we will be doing this activity continuously in 15 to 20 seconds. Let me tell you very important thing, that is, if you are a beginner, please listen to your body, do it slowly, do it very carefully. Those who are there in the sports, those who are doing all this activity continuously, you can go ahead 20 seconds, or if you can do it more, you can do that. But before that, listen to your body, do that much how much you can do it. Okay, and thank you very much. Let's start. Okay guys, we are going to start circuit training. Before that, we will do warm up. Okay, warm up is very important for your body. Okay, we will warm our body. That is, you can do it minimum 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Okay, so let's start. Starting with the jogging. We can do it jogging. Okay, after jogging we can do jumping jacks. Ready, go. We can do the variety. We can bring it forward, backward. We can do the cross way. We can twist our body. Okay, then we can do the neck rotation. We are going to do it very slowly. Ready? Reverse. Okay, shoulder exercise. Reverse. We can do it 5 count clockwise and 5 count anti-clockwise. Waist rotation. Reverse. Alternate toe touch. Alright, okay, so we are set to go for the circuit training. Let's start. Okay, so we are starting the first station, that is high knee jogging. Okay, I have kept the bowl over here. Okay, so you can do it with the bowl. Make sure you lift your leg high knee above the bowl. Ready, start, go. Okay, alright children, alright people, we are going to start with the next next station. Okay, I have kept the small chair over here. We are going to do the jumping, sideways jumping and sitting. This is a variety of sit-ups. Ready? So we will do 20-second max. Ready, steady, start, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then sit down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, sit down. Like this you can do it. Okay guys, we are going to move in the next station. That is the third one. Okay, we are going to do it eye ball coordination. I am going to touch the ball at the wall side. I will sit down, I will stretch my leg and I have to hold my ball in both the hands, and then continuously we will be doing it 20 seconds. Ready? Start. Make sure you hit the ball at the one place continuously, and your coordination is supposed to be on and on. You should not miss the ball. Okay guys, we are moving in the next session. Again I have taken the stick over here, okay, and the ball which we have used at the first station. Okay, we are going to do it jumping sideways. Please, again I request you listen to your body. Do that much, how much your body can take it. Alright, so let's start the sideways jumping. Ready, go. Turn, you can go again. Turn, go again. So this is the time cycle you are going to use. Guys, we are moving ahead with the next session. The next one is push-up. I will tell you all the beginners, those who are doing first time, please you can do slow push-ups, do that much, how much you can do it. Also, if you cannot do the full push-up, you can do half push-up, that's called bent knee push-up. Okay, so I'll start with a full push-up and then I'll show for the beginners also who can do it, bent knee sit-ups. Okay, ready? Take your positions, stretch your leg, make arch, look straight, ready, go. For the beginners, you can just fold your knees, okay, and take your positions. All can do the same way. It is very easy for all the beginners those who are doing first time. Okay guys, let's move to the last station, that is jumping all the stations. So we are going to do jumping on all the stations. Ready, start, go.